Hi there, this is HR staff dashboard. This dashboard generates a number of indicators. For example, the report generates the number of staff per year, the percentage of leadership positions, number of staff by male and female, number of staff in project and non-project, number of staff with their work experience, and staff by age categories. And this data can be seen by different parameters and sliced by year, by department, by project, and by sex. So from this dashboard, we'll get this very beautiful HR staff dashboard. In the following slide, we're going to see the data entry table and each performance. Here is the data entry for this HR interactive Excel dashboard. You'll insert the name of organization here. If you like, you'll insert the name of organization and other parameters as well. Here in the table, you will insert the year, the staff name, sex, age, department, experience, position, post, project name, category, and if that employer or staff is new or not. So by putting all these elements in the table, you will get the dashboard in the next slide. Here is the overall dashboard, which shows all year, department by department and by project. This is sliced by year, department, project, and sex. We can see the data by all those parameters. Let's see the element of the dashboard. In the first column, we will get the number by year. In this particular case, for example, in 2020, 15, 2021, 16, staffs are there. Coming to the pie chart, we'll get the leadership position, and based on this demo data, 25%, 29% of the staffs are in leadership position. Coming to the third chart, we'll get the distribution of male and female, where in this case, for example, in 2020, there are 5 females and 10 males. And in 2021, there are 5 female and 11 male. And the next chart shows the distribution of staff on project and non-projects. And then the next chart shows the staff work experience. For example, in 2020, the experience from 1 to 5 years is there are 9 staffs in that category. In 2021, again 6 to 10 years experience, people who have actually 6 to 10 years experience are 9. The last chart shows the distribution of staff by age category, and in this particular case, more staff are in the age category of 30 to 39 in both years. And so based on this, HR can actually plan a human development plan. And this is very fantastic HR staff dashboard. Coming to individual slicers, let's see how the performances look looks like based on the slicers. And the first slicer is by year. In this particular case, 2020 is selected, and in that case, the number of staffs are 15, and the leadership position is filled by 29%, and the distribution by male and female is, as indicated, it is 5. There are 5 female and 10 male, and in the project non-project distribution category, 8 of them are in the project category, and the remaining are in non-project. And regarding work experience, all the staffs are distributed within 1 to 5 and 6 to 10 work years experience. In the age category, most of them are in between 30 to 39 and 40 to 49 ranges. The second slicer is by department. In this case, finance is selected. For example, in the finance section, there are 3 staff in both years, and in the leadership position is filled 50% of them are actually in the leadership position of the finance staffs, and all are females. 2 are in the project and 1 in non-project. Regarding work experience, it is in between 1 to 5 years and 6 to 10 years experience. In the age distribution, it seems that evenly distributed, and 1 in all age ranges. The third slicer is by project. In this case, pool is selected, for example, and the number of staffs are 8 in the first year and then 9 in 2021. Leadership position is filled. Leadership position is 33%, and male and female distribution is also indicated here. Then by project and name project and work experience is again similar, which is in between 1 to 5 years and 6 to 10 years. And age category, again, for example, in the first year 2020, 20 to 29 age category are 2, 30 to 39 are 4, and 40 to 49 are 2. And the last slicer is by sex, and this time female is selected. The number is the same, 5 in both years. And in terms of leadership position, 37% of females are in the leadership position. Regarding work experience, again, it is in the range of 6 to 10 and 1 to 5 work experience. In the age category, again, more or less is evenly distributed, and it is 1 or 2. And that's all. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share so that you can get similar videos in the next session.